What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another property tour episode, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you on a tour of a 2-bedroom, 2-bath in the Riverfront community for under $2,500. And what's unique about Riverfront is that it's smack dab in the middle between Brickell and downtown, but it's also a mixed-use gated community. All mixed use just basically means is that it mixes residential and retail, so there's plenty of things to do in the retail sector of the community, but also it's walkable to Brickell and downtown, so you can frequent a lot of these hotspots that these residents like to visit. I do also want to notify you that this video is a departure from my last previous videos that I've been doing about the more affordable, budget-friendly options that Miami has to offer. And as cool as those videos are, I am a luxury residential real estate specialist, and I really want to show you what the luxury real estate market has to offer. So I'm going to leave you with this before we get started. If you'd like to continue to see budget-friendly, affordable options in Miami, then let me know in the comment section below. But if you'd like to continue to see this property tour series kind of scale to another level of 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, or 10,000 plus apartment tours per month rather, then let me know in the comment section below, because that is the type of product that myself and my team specialize in the downtown and Brickell area and other areas of Miami, but mainly those areas. So if that's something you'd like to see, then let me know. And again, this is about what you guys want to see and not so much about what I want to do. And I know I've been talking way too long, Steven. Get to the point. Let's get to today's property tour video. And guys, as always, enjoy. So if you're new to my channel and you're wondering who the world I am, well, my name is Steven Vargas. I'm a luxury residential real estate specialist, and every single week I bring you a property tour video or some sort of residential real estate video based in Miami. So if that's something that you're interested in or sounds like something that you'd want to know more about, then do me a favor and subscribe to the channel and like this video and share it with somebody that you think may find value. Just kidding, you don't have to do all of that. At the very least, just subscribe. There's a lot of value that I want to share with you on a weekly basis, and I want to make sure that you don't miss out on a thing. And if you're returning and you've seen my channel before in some of my videos and you enjoy them, well, thank you so much for your continued support. I hope that I continue to exceed your expectations and earn your viewership. And whether you're returning or you're new, I appreciate your viewership, so thank you so much. I'm going to stop talking and we're going to continue with today's property tour video. Either way, just wanted to let you know and remind you, thanks so much, and let's continue. Welcome to the Mint. 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and 930 square feet. And I know what you're gonna say. It is on the smaller side of the Mint 2-bedroom layouts that we have here, but it does a lot to make up for it. So in the property tour video, you're gonna notice a few things. You're gonna notice the upgraded flooring, you're gonna notice the European cabinetry and the appliance package, but you're mainly gonna notice the lighting. They did a great job in the recessed lighting, the LED lightings throughout the entire apartment that I think really sets it apart from another typical 2-bedroom layout unit that you find in the Mint or any of the surrounding buildings. But at under $2,500 with water, cable, and internet and a parking space included, I think it's the complete package for anybody looking to stay in that budget. So let's get to the property tour. Enjoy. Sorry about that. I need to stay hydrated. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed that property tour video. This is usually around the time when I say thank you so much for watching, people click out. So if you're still watching this video, you're a real fan, you're a real subscriber, you're a real viewer. And because I want to hook you guys up, I'm going to put this property playlist somewhere on the screen. I don't know when it's going to pop up, but it'll pop up soon, so you can watch another property tour video of mine. And you help me out by watching another property. It tells YouTube and the YouTube overlords that people actually care about the content that I'm pushing. And then that way it pushes it out to as many people as possible, which is no secret. That's really why I'm doing this, so that as many people can see my content as possible. And it helps you out because you get free content, right? So win-win situation, beautiful relationship and dynamic that we have going on. Oh, if you haven't done so already, don't forget to leave a comment about the type of property tour videos that you would like to see from me in the future, because I don't have an idea as to what property tour video I'm doing next week, and I need your help to help me out with exactly where I should take this channel. So do that if you can. No pressure. Thanks for showing up. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, liking, commenting, doing all the things that you do. And if you didn't do any of that, thanks for just being here. It means a lot. Anyways, guys, I'll see you all in my next video.